Hello gang, welcome to Proportions Applications. In part 1 we're going to be talking about similar figures. In part A it says pentagons J, K, L, M, and N and P, Q, R, S, T are similar. They're naming them by their by their points, so J, K, L, M, N and P, Q, R, S, T. And they're saying find the length of PQ over here, which is labeled as X. We're looking for this length. One thing you need to know about similar figures is that similar figures are proportional. Similar figures are proportional. So what we can do with proportionality is we can set up proportions. So that's what we're going to do to solve for x. So I'm going to find a similar side to x, which is jk, or 3. These two sides are similar. So I'm going to set these up in a ratio, 3 to x, and I'm going to do big shape to small shape. So that means that I'm going to set up 3 to x, and I'm going to pick another side from my big shape. It'd be 5 because it has a whole number over here, so 5 to 3. Now I can cross multiply to solve my proportion for x. 5 times x is 5x equals 3 times 3, which is 9. And now I want to divide by 5. Since it's 5 times x, I want to undo that division, or undo the multiplication by doing division. And I get 9 divided by 5. And I'm going to use my calculator If you have one of your own, I encourage you to type this in as well. 9 divided by 5 which is 1.8. So x is 1.8, which means that PQ is 1.8. So we set up a proportion and then we solved it. Alright, let's look at example B. We'll go a little bit faster here. The pentagons listed below are similar. Find the length of TP. Well, here's TP. I want to find this length. And here's X. So the similar side to TP would be JN. Okay, so it's X and 4. And here again, I'm going to do big shape to small shape, because I prefer working left to right. So big to small is going to be 4 over x equals, and let's pick another side length. Let's do ML and SR. So 3 over 2.1. I'm going to cross multiply here. Excuse me. This is going to give me 3 times x and 4 times 2.1. That's 3x equals 8.4. Now I can divide by 3. I'm going to put this into a calculator. I encourage you to do the same. 8.4 divided by 3 is 2.8. So remember guys, set up your proportion and make sure that when you set up the original ratio, that the second ratio has their numbers in the same spot based on their shape. Good luck.